want to live and work in Germany legally in 2026. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get Germany EU Blue Card, step by step. And yes, it includes a path to permanent residence. Let's get started. The Germany EU Blue Card is one of the most powerful work visa in the world. It gives you the right to live and work in Germany, bring your family, and eventually get permanent residence in as little as 21 months. It is designed for skilled workers. And right now, Germany is desperately looking for people in IT, engineering, healthcare, and construction. If this is your first time on the channel, subscribe now. Every week, I share verified step-by-step guide on how to legally move to Europe, get scholarship, and find job sponsorship. Now, let's look at who qualifies. Here is what you need to qualify for the Germany Blue Card. 1. A recognized university degree. Your degree must be officially recognized in Germany. You can check this on the Anabin database. I'll put the link in the description. 2. A job offer from a German employer. The company must have already offered you a contract. 3. A minimum salary. For most jobs, that is 43,800 euro per year. If you are in a shortage field like IT, medicine, or engineering, the minimum drops to 39,682 per year. That is it, the 3 basic requirements. Now, here is how to apply. There are 4 steps. Step 1, get your degree recognized. Go to the Anabin website and search for your university and degree. If it is recognized, you are good. If it is not, you can apply through UniAssist. This step is very important. Do not skip it. Step 2, find a job offer. Go to LinkedIn, Indeed Germany, or the Make It in Germany jobs portal. That is makeitingermany.com. Search for your field. Apply to companies that are open to sponsoring foreign workers and get your job contract signed. Pro tips: if your application tells the employer upfront that you will apply for the Blue Card, many German companies are experienced with this process and will support you. Step 3, apply at the German embassy. Once you have your job offer, go to the German embassy website in your country, book an appointment, and bring these documents. 1. Valid international passport. 2. Signed employment contract. 3. Recognized degree certificate. 4. Proof of health insurance. 5. Biometrics passport photos. 6. Completed visa application form. Step 4. Wait for your approval. Processing usually takes 2 to 6 weeks. Once approved, you will receive your Blue Card and can travel to Germany. If you want a list of verified German companies that are currently sponsoring foreign workers, drop the word Germany in the comments. I will send you the list for free. Germany is one of the best countries in the world to build your career. High salary, strong economy, and a clear path to permanent residence. If you qualify, do not wait. Start your application today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe because I shared verified opportunity every week.